When Cedral is manufactured, all edges are mechanically cut and factory painted. Where possible, use the finished edges where a joint between planks is required. If this is not possible, Cedral touch-up paint is used to finish the cut edge of planks. Thoroughly mix the paint before application. Apply touch-up paint sparingly to cut edges only with a small brush, ensuring not to drip or splash paint onto the face of the planks. Wipe away any excess paint with a clean, dry cloth. A waterproof strip must be used to weatherproof battens behind joints. Fix a strip to the batten that overlaps the next plank. Position both planks into place over the waterproof strip, loosely butting the two ends together. Screw both planks into place.